Are you 50 and older trying to figure out how to get this Amazon Fire TV stick to get applications on it that aren't available in the Amazon App Store? Hey guys, what's going on? Are you looking for movies and TV shows all in your Amazon Fire TV stick? Now here, Downloader works just like a web browser. So you can type in any URL, like say https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads, or I have a real short code for you, and it's so much quicker. We can click OK once and then twice, and it brings up a keyboard for us to type in this shortcut. 370178. Then we can come down and hit go. I'm Lee. I'm here to show you all the awesome tips and tricks on the Amazon Fire TV stick. Get applications on your device that aren't available in the Amazon App Store. Follow along. I'll show you how I put these on my device. First thing we need to do is install a program onto our Amazon Fire TV stick. So we just highlight the magnifying glass here, the find icon, and we can pull down and it brings up the search menu. If we hit our select button on our remote, and it brings up a keyboard for us. We're going to type in Downloader. So D-O-W. I've already got Downloader that came up really quickly. You may need to spell out the entire word. One word, Downloader. So once it's there, highlight it on here, select it with your remote, and it brings up this orange icon. Select that, and it gives us the ability to download it and install it onto our device. So yours will just say get it. So click on that, and it just places it into the queue and instantly downloads it into our device. So before we open it, let's hit the home button on our remote and go all the way to the settings icon, because we need to not jailbreak our Fire Stick. The little settings gear or the cogwheel or the gear icon there, and we can pull down. I have my Fire TV listed right here. If you have an older version, it may say my device, or it may be somewhere else like down here in the menu. So just highlight my Fire TV or my device and click on it. I do have a developer options listed. If you do not have it listed, don't worry. Click on About, and here highlight where it says Fire TV Stick, or yours may say 4K or something different. And just use the select button about 7 to 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here it came up, no need, you're already a developer. Yours may say congratulations, now you're a developer. While we're in here, it's usually a good idea to check for updates. So we can just highlight check for updates, click on it, and it'll give us the option to download any updates that are available for the Fire Stick. All right, so we're updated, so we can hit back on our remote. So now we have developer options here listed in our menu. So just highlight it and select onto it. And here we can turn ADB debugging on, and then come down to install unknown apps. Click that, and Downloaders here listed. It's currently off. We just turn it on. That, folks, is the jailbreak. We didn't jailbreak anything. We changed an option. That was it. So we don't jailbreak these Fire Sticks. So I'm going to actually leave it off, because further on in this, I'll show you how we don't even have to do this entire step at all. The Fire Stick does it for us. Let's head back to the home screen, and let's find Downloader. So Downloader will be in this 3 squares plus sign symbol. This is our apps and games section. Here we can just highlight Downloader, and if we want, we can use the 3-line button on our remote, and it gives us a menu here. So we move to the front, more info, offload, or uninstall. So if we push move to the front, it puts it up to the top, the very first spot in our very top line. This line is our shortcuts, our bookmarks for our home screen. So when we go home, it is right here. So you can do that with any app, and we can just kind of toggle through and place this however you'd like. So open up Downloader. Allow Downloader to access movies, files, and photos on our device. So push allow. A quick start guide. We can click OK. Now here, Downloader works just like a web browser. So you can type in any URL, like say https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads, or I have a real short code for you, and it's so much quicker. We can click OK once and then twice, and it brings up a keyboard for us to type in this shortcut. 370178. Then we can come down and hit go. Automatically sends it to the Led by the Unknown webpage. There is a 5-second redirect. So while we're waiting, please share this with a friend. I know you know people that maybe don't get how to install this stuff. This is a quick and easy explanation. Just have them follow along and they can get it on their device. So this brings us right to the downloads page. And on this page, we got some videos, some tutorials, how-tos, and the applications for us to download. So if we head down, and here we have like the best apps for 2025. It's starting to get chilly out. We may want to sit and relax and chill, right? So we have some movies and TV shows, the best apps for here. I'm going to start with HD. So come on down. And here's the downloads area. So we can either click the blue button, or there's a backup just in case. So we hit the blue button, and it automatically starts downloading it onto our app. Automatically starts downloading it onto our device. It'll stage it, and then, oh, downloader. For security reasons, your TV is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source, because I turned it off. Our jailbreak, no jailbreak section. The Firestick wants to make sure downloader is allowed to do this. So if we just follow the settings, so click settings, and here, install unknown apps, we'll click on it, and then highlight downloader and turn it on. This gives downloader the ability to now sideload applications onto our device. We back out one, back out twice, and it reopens downloader to continue the installation of that one file. So here it says we're successfully downloaded, so press install. Down in the bottom right, we can highlight install and click on it. And remember, we only have to do that the once. It's not going to ask us to change the setting for downloader anymore. And now that the application's installed, we just highlight and click done. And then we can come back and we delete the installation file. So delete and delete. It did send us back to the downloader's homepage, and that's okay. We can just click go, and in here we can type in our short code. If you didn't write it down, we can type in 370178 and hit go. We do have the redirect again. Now, in order to prevent us from having to do the redirect all the time, we use the 3-line button on our remote. Here, while the page is loaded, we can add current page to the favorites. We can save it or name it and save it, and it'll be right here in the favorites toolbar in order to just upload it instead of putting in the short code or the full URL. Let's get back to finding what we wanted to download. So we got one, HD. Next one, we can click on stream. Small little application. So over install, and here we can hit done, and then delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete, we're good to go. Now we're looking for sports. Head on down a little further, and we have streaming live sports, best apps, and we can try like live. Click on it, header down, check out the video, read the how-tos. Here we have Amazon or Android devices. So if you have like a smartphone, you can use that link and it'll auto rotate where Fire Sticks don't rotate, right? We can click on the link. Down in the bottom right, click install. The application installs. And we hit done. And of course, delete the installation file. We don't need it taking up the space on our device, so delete. Then we can back out. We can go up a little further. We can try fire. Come on down. Check out the video. Hey, my friend, are you trying to figure out what sports fire is all about? Check out this. Interesting in trying to figure out how to download onto your Firestick. All of this. And then here we got the latest file for you to download. Again, installs it right to our device. Install bottom right. And then we just click done. Delete the installation file. Delete. And back out. Now, if we're looking for live TV, we've already downloaded this one. We got stream. Same thing, check out the video. Click on the button. Down on the bottom right, click install. Click done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Back out. I got one more. It's pretty much a one for all. Does everything we need. Right up top here. It is our number one. We got flicks. Click it. Check out that video. And here, you can click on flicks for the install. Downloads it right to our device again. Down on the bottom right, click install. And then highlight done and click on done. We can delete the installation file. And we can confirm the delete. Let's find out where these applications went. Let's go to the home screen. Push the home button on our remote. We can go all the way to the 3 squares plus sign there. Our apps and games section. And the last applications that we download end up at the very bottom of the list. So if your list is really long, it may be further down. But we can just 3-line button on our remote. Move to the front. This is pretty much how I have mine. So I usually 3-line. I'll move that guy to here. Live. Move him to here. Flicks. Always up front. Oh. Sports. Move that one. It's kind of how mine set up. You can do yours different. Check out stream. We move it somewhere up here too if you want. Nice and easy. When we go to our home screen, we have the applications we actually want to use up front and center. Check in there. More applications are getting added all the time. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick tips and tricks and how-tos. Please let me know if there's an app that you'd like to see about, and I'll get it up there. Happy streaming. Peace.